Alright everybody, we are headed to Hong Kong buffet because it is Ross's last night with us and we're going to go celebrate. We're going to miss him so much. Okay, so, yep, Onward Bound, Dana and the kids and all them have arrived and they're going to fall us over. Seatbelt, you're welcome, seatbelt on, and we are ready to go eat some good food. Everybody seatbelt on?
Yeah.
Children in the back, don't make me reach back there and smack you.
Yeah. Oh, I've been smacked by you before. Little sister.
I've learned how to sit in the back.
It happens.
So I don't get smacked.
Alright.
Why is my GPS not telling me where to go?
That was turning on. I'm guessing you take a right. Oh, look at that beautiful. I love the brick house.
Start, that's why. I didn't press start. Okay. And we are off.
I know, I love it. Reminds me of being at home.
Oh, this reminds you?
Because of all the different green trees. We haven't been around trees at all.
Oh,
You know?
right.
At home and watching them, we have trees everywhere.
Look, two vans just alike. Almost. But they're black and white. Panda! So we have this table, and the family is sitting at this table. Hey family!
Hi!
So this is my first plate. Yummy. Ross's first plate.
Thank you.
Ooh, you got some good stuff going on there.
Yes, thank you very much.
We are ready to
lemon.
chow down. Ooh, lemon. How's the food, kids? Awesome.
How do you say sesame seed?
Sesame seeds?
Sesame seeds.
Yeah, you say it sesame seeds.
Mandarin.
Oh, in their language?
Yeah.
Do I look Chinese?
This is Asian.
Huh? Do I?
No, I didn't.
Okay.
This is not Asian. You said we come
I don't know their language.
Okay, Tagalog.
In Tagalog.
We say things that our names are usually like sesame seed, the same thing, yeah.
She's not in the same one.
Plate number 2.
Eating the lemon pepper?
Ross's portions always look very French. Very small, bite-sized. What you doing, girl? There's the wiggly dance. That looks good. Food. More food. And plate 3 done. Now it's time for dessert plate.
What's he getting for dessert?
What?
What's he getting for dessert?
I don't know yet.
Yeah, I'm getting ice cream.
And now and you're also having some fruit.
With hot wings.
That is not fruit.
I said with hot wings.
I know. Yeah? Oh, yuck.
Flea.
A
It looks
what?
like a flea.
Yes, it does look like
The only
flea.
part that you can
You know
eat
where?
is
You know
the
what?
tail.
When I was a kid, we used to catch those in ditches. Yeah, I know. So you like all those slimy creatures, right? Or creatures in general. You had some octopus, didn't you?
Yes.
And how was it?
It was cold.
Cold.
Really, really cold because it was over by the.
Was it yummy though?
Yeah.
You like it?
Yes.
Just like you like that. Ugh. Ah. I can't eat anything that stares back at me. It just weirds me out.
Okay.
Ew, yeah, I like that.
Ethan, the answer was supposed to be slimy.
Yeah. Dessert plate. Looks so yummy. This is what I was waiting for.
It's not waiting, they're not with the hot apple pie.
Oh my god, I'm so full.
I'm not. I can eat coffee thing all day.
Lord.
But they got the little meringue ones. I love those
Well, we'll get back to the house and I'll be out. It kind of tastes like imitation cheesecake.
Okay, so the desserts here suck. They're totally gross. Yeah, they don't taste good at all, but the food here is pretty good. So what's the best thing here? Sushi!
Those don't have much flavor.
I did the half a sheet. I could never figure out what this was.
I got my own buddy here.
Oh my god. Dessert sucks, so I had to get some more sushi.
How chewy is the rice and the seaweed? Well, we'll find out.
I can't use chopsticks.
In her face or in her
I'm
lap?
Asian,
In her
I
face
can't
or in
use
her lap? Oh, in her mouth. Okay.
Get some Hershey's chocolate.
So cute.
She puts her snout up to mine. She'll throw herself against me,
Uh-huh.
and then she'll go like.
I'll put her, I like
put her
head back.
snout up to me.
Boop. Boop. All right, all at once. Group hug. Grab him. Bye, Ross-ie-poo.
Bye.
He is off to North Carolina to do some worky-poo. What are you
See you
doing?
later. I'm gonna be a whitewater rafting guide.
Sounds fun. Whitewater rafting. He's saying bye to everybody.
Round and round.
Bye. Bye. Bye, mister. Give me a huggy poo. Huggy poses. Huggy poses. Alright, you be careful. We will see you down the road.
Maybe.
Yes, this is maybe.
What's maybe for?
Yeah, give him a hard time, kids. I know, one of our tribe members leaving. But he'll be safe, I know, and yeah. Yeah, he's got till September. I think that's when it ends, so. There he goes. Bye, mister! Bye, Mr. Ross!
Oh, maybe not.
Okay, he's stuck here. And off he goes.
That's the acceleration speed right there.
I know, right?
That causes. Oh, I shouldn't say anything.
I could always speed it up.
No, I meant so he didn't do a burnout.
Oh, yeah. Safe travels. We'll see you down the road. Toodles. Do what? Yeah. It is really sad. It is. Ross-ie-poo's gone, y'all. All right, now that we have more space and stuff, and Ross is gone, we're getting reorganized over here. I think Scott and Terry is gonna be right here, but they're gonna get repositioned, and Jennifer and the kids are gonna take Ross's old spot. Yeah, you're good.
Oh, I'm good, but am I okay?
Yes, you're okay.
That car goes in. Yep, exactly.
Okay.
Well, this is
What? You think you should pull back a little more?
they have. I got one in there.
Okay,
Yeah,
that's perfect.
Yeah, go ahead and go back.
Okay, just have to go back.
It's a mortise lock. It's a best lock. It's a best mortise. It's card reader down. But
Alright.
yes, that's
Keep
what I
going.
got here in Microsoft. I got a lot of that.
Another 6 stitches. Go. 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 Keep going.
Now it's slid this one because
That
you
one
have
pushed.
But I bet that thing dead on close.
You can go a little bit more.